Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm Kamal Sehgal Studio watching the series Plants in My Balcony. Once a plant lover, always a plant lover. You go anywhere in the universe and you find the products which suits your soul, which actually makes you happy as a plant mom. And I've got some of the few selected products for all of you as my community because I have just loved them. I have got this amazing, beautiful, multi-purpose jute planters which are not only organic, they are sustainable and they are easy to keep. You can keep any stuff in it. So let's go about it. They are amazing set of jute multi-purpose bags which can be used for keeping your lovely plants. For example, this is an amazing jade plant which is kept in a plastic. Basically it has been kept in a metal container, but you can always use the normal plastic container and cover in this beautiful bag in any of the living area of your room, which gives an upgrade to your aesthetic sense. Not only as a plant keeper, but you can also use these bags for segregating your stationery, as a storage products in your washrooms, for storing laundry, for storing papers, for storing anything that you want to keep in the corner of your room. This is an amazing product which comes also with handles, so you can use it for n number of purposes, for shopping, for keeping your stuff, for example for keeping the toys. Now along with a beautiful range of jute planters, they have amazing chindi rugs which are made from old clothes. So it also actually is a way of organic living, sustainable living, because we are using old things. I always say vocal for local, vocal for local. So this is one product which should be on your bucket list if you're going for organic stuff. And the best thing that I have found today is this amazing chair, which is also a chindi chair, and you can see on their website, it is there on Amoli Concepts website. So this is an amazing product. They have huge range of products. So last on my list today are these puffies, which also are can be used in temples. They can be used as footstools in your living areas. So they have amazing range of puffies, and it can be used for various purposes and can be kept in nook and corners of your houses. Once, of course, they are used for sitting, and second, they are also used for decorative purposes. Extremely happy that the day I have utilized in Amoli Concepts. They have amazing range of products ranging from home decor to sustainable living to organic living, and also huge amount of products which the plant lovers would definitely like. And I hope that you have liked my video here in Amoli Concepts. It is in Noida, but you can go and visit their website amoliconcepts.com, and you can see the huge range of stuff that they have on their website. Thank you so much for watching. Do pour in your suggestions. Do pour in your suggestions in the comment box so that we can work upon them. Do share with your friends and family the amazing products of Amoli Concepts. Thank you so much for watching.